Hi, welcome to Nona's Here. I'm Nona. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you all decided to join me today. I am joining in a collaboration hosted by Tiffany from Broke Girl Aesthetic and her co-host Sarah from Can Sara DIY It. I will be sure and link their channel links down below and the playlist of all the creators who are joining in today. The theme for the collaboration today is School Daze, D-A-Z-E, and I have a special craft just for you. I hope you'll be sure and check out the playlist and see what all the creators have done in the craft related to school days. So, enough chatting. Let me get over to my craft table and show you what I have today. But if you haven't hit that subscribe button, I hope you'll consider doing so today. And don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to it with all, so you won't miss any of the fun at Nona's Here. Okay, let's get crafting. All right, these are the supplies I'm going to use today. This is a sign that I got at Dollar Tree. It had a cutout of a pumpkin with a piece of aluminum behind it, which was real easy to take off. It was just glued on the back. It was in the decor section for fall and Thanksgiving. And I have some paint brushes, and I went to Walmart and got some new paint that they had in. The Waverly pumpkin chalk paint. It's probably not new to you, but I was happy to find it. And the maize, M-A-I-Z-E, that's the yellow chalk paint. And I have some letters that I had gotten at Walmart previously. And I have some pumpkins, some floral designs to decorate the sign that I'd gotten at Dollar Tree. And then of course I have some flowers that I have gotten at Dollar Tree to decorate the sign. And then I have a sanding sponge because the sign does have some glitter on it, so I'm going to take as much glitter off as I possibly can, and then I'll be ready to paint my sign. So I've gotten as much of the glitter off as I can, and now I'm going to paint the sign with the pumpkin chalk paint. And it did take 2 really good coats of the paint to cover all the decoration on the sign. I painted the edges and the inside of the pumpkin cutout, and then I put that aside to dry after I did 2 really good coats. Then I took the letters and I wanted to paint them yellow, so I used the maize, and I again gave them 2 really good coats of the maize, put them aside to dry, and then I was ready to put together my sign. All right, so my board's looking a little flat, so I decided to take some of my maize and do a little bit of dry brushing and give it a little interest. So there I am, dry brushing it and just giving it a little yellow in the background. And then I decided I needed to go back and get a little more orange where I got a little bit too much yellow. So I'm playing with it and just playing with it until I get the look I want. Now I'm going to put my letters on to say hello fall, and I'm going to use my Gorilla Wood glue to do that. And then I've played around with all my floral decorations and decided on a design, and I'm going to hot glue all of that on. So I'm finishing up decorating the sign, but I still have that big pumpkin hole right in the middle of the sign. Well, this is what I'm going to do. You know how we all take pictures of our kids or grandkids first day of school pictures, right? Well, we have some family friends who are very kind and allow teenage boy to come and stay with them whenever Grumpy Grandpa and I go out of town and schooling is in session. So I asked her to take a picture of her 3 very handsome sons, first day of school, which she did, and I'm going to put that in the pumpkin hole there. Now, her kids, the 2 older boys, go to school at a different time than the younger son, so the pictures came in 2 different snapshots. So I had to kind of cut them apart and make them look like a collage. So that's what I'm doing there, is I'm trying to make them so that it looks like the 2 older boys are in the back and the younger boy is standing in the front. And so I just scotch taped them to the back, which I know won't hold forever, but I figure next year she can take the pictures out and put another first day of school picture in. If you hold on just a minute, I'll hang it up and show you what it looks like. But I think this is a great idea for those first day of school pictures that you can use year after year just by changing out the picture. So there it is, all finished. I think it came out real cute, and I think the family will enjoy it. If you like my video, I sure wish you would give me a thumbs up, like, a comment, and a share. Thanks again to Tiffany from Broken Girl Aesthetic and Sara, Can Sara DIY It. Hope to see you next time at Known as Here.